So we've talked a little bit about hay, but what about the other parts of that nutritional equation? Let's talk a little bit specifically about pellets and what do we want to think about nutritionally, specifically ingredient wise, when we look at that senior related diet. First and foremost, with rabbits, we want to think about the types of proteins that are in that diet. And with proteins, we're obviously talking about amino acids, those essential building blocks to muscle and other important physiological things. So we want to think about additional levels of protein, number one. We also want to evaluate the benefit of additional antioxidants. We know antioxidants can help to slow that age related process and kind of combat that oxidative stress that can naturally occur. Lastly, we want to think about prebiotics. One of the most important things in a senior animal is to maintain a healthy GI tract, specifically to support the microbiome that live in the hindgut. Utilizing different types of prebiotics in a diet of a senior animal can be beneficial to support that hindgut. So, just like we talked about in rabbits, what do we want to think about when evaluating a guinea pig diet for our more elderly patients, our senior animals? First and foremost, we don't ever want to forget about the importance of that diversification of fibers. We know that's going to support dental health as well as digestive health, and it'll decrease the likelihood of obesity as these animals age and potentially become less active. Number two, we want to think about the inclusion of antioxidants. Antioxidants have a lot of beneficial properties, especially in animals as they age, as they can combat the natural occurring oxidative stress related process. And number three, we want to think about prebiotics, things like mango oleosaccharides and fructooleosaccharides. Prebiotics are food for the microbiome that lives in the hindgut. The happier we can keep those bacteria, the more effective they're going to be at fermenting fiber and the more healthy that ecosystem is going to be.